In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Google Docs file onto a flash drive. Whether you're preparing a document for offline use, need to transfer it to another device, or simply want a reliable backup, saving a Google Docs file to a flash drive is a handy skill to have. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand every detail. Firstly, make sure you're on your Google Docs page with the document you wish to save. Once you have your document open, head over to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the File menu sitting there. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. This menu hosts several options, and what you're interested in is the Download option. Hover your cursor over Download, and you'll see a list of formats you can download your document in. Typically, you'll see options like Microsoft Word, PDF document, plain text, and others. Choose the format that best suits your needs. For example, if you plan to edit the document on another computer, you might want to download it as a Microsoft Word file. If the document is final and you don't want any changes, opting for a PDF might be best. As soon as you've selected the format, the download should start automatically. A little heads up, depending on your browser and settings, you might be prompted to choose a location or the file might automatically go to your default downloads folder. Keep an eye on where that downloaded file is stored. You'll need this information shortly. Next, you'll want to connect your flash drive to an available USB port on your computer. Once your computer recognizes the flash drive, navigate to where your downloaded file is located. This is likely the Downloads folder unless you specified another location. Open that folder and find your newly downloaded file. Now there are a couple of ways to transfer the file to your flash drive. You can simply right-click on the file, hover over Send To, and then select your flash drive from the options listed. Alternatively, you can drag the file directly into the folder for your flash drive, visible on the left-hand side of your File Explorer window under the This PC section. After you've done this, your file should now be copied over to your flash drive. Double-check by clicking on the flash drive folder to ensure the file is there, safely stored and ready for future use. That's all there is to it. With these steps, your Google Docs file is now securely saved on your flash drive, ready whenever you need it. Don't forget to safely eject your flash drive from your computer to ensure no data is lost. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions.